Hello, and welcome to this parcel tracker tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how to search the history. Basically how to deal with lost parcel claims or look at previous parcels which have been picked up and not picked up. It's really simple. Every user has access to this, be it an admin user or a normal user. You just click on the search history button and then there you go. You see at the top you got places where you can enter dates, names, and rooms to narrow down the search parameters. And then here you just got a list of people who picked up the parcels. So let's say this was a parcel which was picked up lately. And you can see right at the top it says collected by Arthur Zargarian. That's the actual tenant, the resident, the student who collected the parcel. And then you can see what date it was logged in on and the actual time and what date it was picked up on then the actual time. You can also see what user logged the parcel in. So you see it was the admin at deepfinity.io user. So whichever user is associated to this account, and it was logged out by the same user. So this gives you full accountability of who logged things in and who didn't. Let's say someone says the parcel has been lost and they say, you know what, it was in 2018, I got an email that the parcel has arrived on the 20th of August. And then you say, what is the date today? It might be the 23rd, okay. What is their name? It's Arthur. And we're going to narrow the search parameters here. You see, it only gives those people within those search parameters. It's still quite a few. So you see a few people here did not have their parcels picked up. You can see if this matches the email that they got. And a few people did have their parcels picked up. So the beauty of this is if a parcel has been logged into the system but you cannot find it, you can see who logged it into the system. It was the admin user and they logged it in at this time. So it's probably there. So this was a quick overview of the history and how you can search it. You can also enter rooms here. Thank you very much. And if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to ask us on our search forum.